Hello, sir.
Philani, eyakho i-assignment andikayifumani Mdlekazi. Send me your assignment now before it's too late.
Sir, I have network problem.
That's your problem. Send me the assignment now. It's getting late, man.
Network problem.
That's your problem.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Sorry, sir. I've emailed my assignment, hoping you received it.
No, andikayifumani.
That's your problem.
My problem? Where do you think I'll get your marks if I don't receive your assignment?
That's your problem.
Oh my God!
Ngaphesheya komfula bayangishisa